So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix route not available in Trust Wallet. So the first and easiest fix for this one is to clear your app's cache, update, and reinstall if necessary. And to do that, first look for your Trust app, hold onto it, and click on Remove App. From here, proceed by deleting the app, then head back to your App Store and reinstall the app once again. Check to see if the problem has been fixed. That is for the instance that if everything else looks correct but the route still fails, there might be a caching or app version issue. Then the next fix is by checking that you use the correct network. So launch your Trust app, then next is click on Swap and check if both are on the same network. So in this case, these two blockchains are both on Ethereum. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!